In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your Google Forms into QR codes in just about 5 minutes. Now, this might sound a little techie, but trust me, it's super simple. And I'll walk you through every step of the way so you can share your forms easily and efficiently, whether it's for event registrations, feedback collections, or classroom quizzes. Firstly, you'll need to start off by heading over to the Chrome store. This is where you'll find all the tools and extensions that can make your life a lot easier. One such tool is what we're interested in today, the QR code for Google Forms trademark extension. So once you're in the Chrome store, your next task is to search for this exact extension. QR code for Google Forms trademark. It should come up pretty quickly. Once you spot it, don't hesitate to click on it. You're heading in the right direction. The next step is to install the extension. Click on the install button. This allows the extension to be added to your browser, and trust me, it's going to make creating QR codes a piece of cake. This might take a couple of seconds, but once it's done, you're ready for the next big step. Now it's time to head over to Google Sites. I know it might seem like we're hopping from one place to another, but each step is crucial. Here you will need to sign in with your Google account details. That will be your email and password. This step is pretty straightforward for anyone who's ever logged into their Google account before. Finding your Google form comes next. By now you should be fairly familiar with navigating Google's workspace. Click on your specific Google form. This is the form you wish to create a QR code for. Whether it's a feedback form, a survey, or an RSVP form, it's now ready for its QR makeover. With your form opened, look for the add-on button up on the top right side of the screen. This is where that handy extension we installed earlier comes into play. Clicking here will bring up the QR code for Google Forms trademark option, courtesy of the extension we added a few steps back. Now for the magic moment, click on Generate QR Code. This button is your gateway to transforming your digital form into something that can be scanned by any smartphone or tablet camera. It makes your form accessible, simple to use, and frankly quite cool. You might notice there are two steps mentioning clicking on a Generate QR Code. This is just to ensure that the process has started, as sometimes clicking once doesn't kickstart the generation. A little patience here goes a long way. Finally, once your QR code has been generated, you have the option to either copy the QR code for immediate sharing or download it for future use. This is perfect for printing on flyers, including in presentations, or sharing across your social media platforms for wider reach. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, your Google form has been transformed into a QR code, ready to be scanned by anyone, anywhere. This method not only simplifies the process of gathering information, but also leverages the technology most of us carry in our pockets, our smartphones. Remember, the key to making the most out of this tool is experimentation. So go ahead, share your forms far and wide, and watch as the responses roll in effortlessly. Thank you for following along in this tutorial, and I hope this makes your life just a little bit easier.